Cybersecurity isn't just for tech experts, it's for everyone. And in today's world where almost everything we do is online, it's more important than ever. Let's break it down together. Think about it, we shop online, we bank online, we connect with friends online, even our businesses run online. With so much of our lives on the internet, the risks have grown too. Hackers, scammers, and cybercriminals are constantly looking for ways in. But here's the good news, with the right knowledge, you can stay one step ahead. Cybersecurity simply means protecting yourself, your devices, and your information from people who want to misuse them. Just like you lock your doors at home, cybersecurity locks your digital doors. Why should you care about cybersecurity? Because it affects all of us. For individuals, it keeps your personal data, money, and identity safe. For small businesses, it prevents fraud, data theft, and loss of customer trust. For big businesses, it's the backbone of keeping operations running, protecting millions of customers, and avoiding huge financial losses. For society as a whole, cybersecurity protects our hospitals, schools, governments, and even national security from disruption. In short, cybersecurity isn't optional, it's a necessity. Here are 3 simple steps you can start with today. Use strong passwords that are long, unique, and not easy to guess. Beware of phishing, and if a message looks suspicious, don't click the link. Keep everything updated, because updates fix the weak spots that hackers try to exploit. If you do just these 3 things, you're already ahead of most people online. As our lives become more connected, cybersecurity is the shield that keeps us safe. Whether you're an individual, a business owner, or part of a bigger community, it matters. And the best part is, you don't need to be an expert to stay safe, just aware and proactive. So if you want to protect yourself and grow your digital confidence, subscribe now, and hit the notification bell because this is just the beginning of your cybersecurity journey.